Hi Ben, I made a quick phaser last night where it's a sort of phaser vibe sort of thing. Hope you like it. It's completely op amp, so, and of course LDRs. 4 of the buggers, 4, read 'em and weep. Right, dry signal. Wet signal. This is in vibe mode. Okay, so that's vibe. Next one is phaser. Still on vibe. Change it over to phaser, and all I've done is I've added the dry signal back in as well as the phaser. That's quite slow on the OFO. It will go slower. Let me set it up. The way I do it is I set it in phaser mode. Wait till I hear that change in tone. So I'll set it up a little bit faster. There you can hear that change in frequency. Even more. Set it back in vibe. Nice little wobble to it. Put the dry path back in. There you go, buddy. Hope that's enough for you.